Well, it's 7 degrees out. It's still cold and snowy, but that's 42 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've just spent a long time testing everything on my truck. This is my diesel with the glow controller back there. I just got done taking out the relay and making it work. I tested every wire for continuity feeding the system. I did find bad connections on this connector that fed the B+ to the glow plugs, and I cut out the connector and put Moretz in. I took the wire off every single glow plug and tested them, and they all read between 0.1 ohm to 0.4 ohms, so they're good. I did a continuity test on every wire back to the controller, so that's good. And then I just did a check to get the controller turned on and check power, and there's power to each one of the glow plugs, and through that wiggly metal resistor the voltage dropped to 5.7 to 6.3 volts to each glow plug, so that's satisfactory. I brought ether, but I'm not going to try it first time. Got my 2 best batteries again, including my diehard. So let's see if this killer isn't dead yet. It has never started in the 7 years I've owned it by itself unless you towed it when it was cold. It's never cold started manually with a key. The relay is clicking now too. It does one long turn on for 20 seconds, and then it starts clicking every 2 or 3 seconds off and on, regulating the glow plugs while it's warming up. I still got no radiator in it, but that don't matter for a cold start. Oh, and the smell of mouse pee. It's in neutral. You're supposed to hold the throttle down halfway, it says on the owner's manual when you're starting it cold, so I'll do that. Wait to start. Okay. Yes! Oh my God! Smoke! Oh, I love my truck now. Even though it smokes like a bat out of hell. Sweet. Now I wish I had a good alternator and a gas mask. Well, I guess you gotta love your Ford truck, but of course after you're done fixing it again. Oh my God, well you still gotta be. Oh, a dead one. Well, I guess that's running it long enough with no coolant. Sweet. Now let's see if it restarts. Clutch. Oh, amazing. Never been that good. Well, this deserves a celebration. I'm ready. It's March 15th. The first time I didn't have to wear a coat this year. Now I can use my truck more often.